Very good evening everyone. I hope you all are happy and safe at your home. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फोर्थ लेक्चर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस. System of linear equations. We are talking about the system of linear equation. How many kind of systems are there? Suppose you are having two equations like a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then what are the relations possible in between the coefficients of variables? See, it may be if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. In that case, if suppose the coefficients are not, the ratio of coefficients are not equal, then what can be said exactly? Here the system will have a unique solution. Okay, an unique solution. Unique solution in the sense there will be a value of x, a value of y. Okay, that will be unique solution. If suppose we are talking about the lines, the straight lines, so the straight lines formed by these equations will be intersecting. The straight line will be intersecting, and that kind of system where it will have unique solution when the straight lines will be intersecting, that system will be called as the consistent system. Consistent system. Is it clear? That's very simple. If suppose in second case, it may be if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but it is not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, in this case what will happen? In this case you may see that the system will have no solution. No solutions. Okay, and the straight lines will be parallel. The straight lines formed by these equations will be parallel. Okay, in this case when the system will have that kind of things, when the lines will be parallel, there will be no solution, definitely the system will be called as inconsistent. Okay, these are the two very special cases when the system is consistent, when the system is inconsistent. There may be a third case. There will be a third case rather. See, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In this case, you may see that in this case the system will have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay, in this case the lines will be coinciding. The lines will be coinciding means exactly it will be a single line, single straight line. Both the equations will be just expressing a single straight line. Okay, in this case when the lines are coinciding, when the system will have infinitely many solutions, that kind of system is called dependent system or dependent consistent system. Is it clear? So this is the exactly these are the types of systems that we need to know. Okay, that is very important. Exactly on the basis of same we may solve many of the questions. You must pause the video and you may note down these all such things, because that is very important and that is the gist of the system. That is the gist of the chapter. Okay, now we must see some questions based on that. Okay, so you understood for consistent system a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, the system will have a unique solution. Here if the system is not consistent, means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but it is not equal to c1 upon c2. That means system is inconsistent and it will have no solution. But if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, means the equations are, in this case the equations are both the equations will be similar or identical. Is it clear? Identical in the sense the equations may be like this. See, x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, 2x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. You can see here the coefficients of x here in one equation and second equation, these are just multiples. If suppose that equation will be multiplied by 2, so this will be the equation. Means on multiplying any linear equation by any constants, we will not get the second equation, it will be the same equation. Okay, hence the lines are coinciding. Exactly ये दोनों line एक ही हैं, both are the same line, they are coinciding lines, and two identical equations. You can now understand that two identical equations will represent a single line. Is it clear? From here you understand that. चलिए हम कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. I hope आपको ये चीजें समझ में आई होंगी. What kind of systems are there? There are three kinds of system. One is consistent, one is inconsistent, one is dependent. Okay. In case of consistent, the system will have a unique solution. Okay. Suppose the question I am writing, for what value of k? For what value of k? The system, there is one system, that is 3x plus y is equal to 1. 3x plus y is equal to 1. Another equation is 2k minus 1 into x, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1 will have no solution. Will have no solutions. No solution means system is inconsistent. Okay, so chaliye we are solving the question. That's very simple question. Very fast, read the question twice at least and try to understand the question. What the question is, for what values of k the system this 3x plus y is equal to 1, 2k minus 1 into x, k minus 1 into y, and 2k plus 1 will have no solution. There is no solution. So very first we'll write given that. What are the given things? Okay. Given that we are exactly writing both the equations, 3x plus y is equal to 1. Here 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. You can better understand the coefficient of x is a2. Here this is a2, this is b2, and this is c2. a2, here when there is no coefficient, that will be 1, that is b1 and c1. Okay, so here we should write that also, that what are the coefficients. Here a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 2k minus 1, b1 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to k minus 1, c1 is equal to 1, c2 is equal to 2k plus 1. Is there any doubt? That is very simple. Okay, now we should write, we know that. What you know? We know that the system, we know that the system will have no solution. System will have no solution if what is the system, what is the condition, that a1 upon a2 will be equal to b1 upon b2, but it will not be equal to c1 upon c2. So we must see the condition. So 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1 and it is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. So we must have the both the conditions together, means we can write now 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1, and 1 upon k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Okay, so from here we are just cross multiplying. So 3 is multiplied by k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1 will be multiplied by 1, means same, and here 2k plus 1 will be equal to k minus 1, will not be equal to, sorry, है ना. So here 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1, and here 2k minus k is not equal to that minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so 2k 3k minus 2k will be equal to 3 minus 1, means k will be equal to 2, and k will not be equal to minus 2. Is it clear? So for k is equal to 2, for k is equal to 2, if suppose we are just putting k is equal to 2 here, so it will become 2 minus 1, means 1. Here 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 by 3, 1, 3 by 3, 1. And here suppose we are putting k is equal to 2. So 2, 4 plus 1, 1 upon 5, that will not be equal to. So for k is equal to 2, we can say that we need not to write that k is not equal to minus 2. We may take only solution that. So the answer will be for k is equal to 2, the system will have no solution. Okay, it's okay that we are determining only the value of k, but we should also determine that, we should also check that there should not be the controversy. Okay, so that is all in the question. You must pause the video and note down that. I hope you understood that question. That's a very simple question. That kind of system, exactly that kind of question maybe have three phases. Exactly, it may be asked for what value of k the system will have no solution. The same question may be asked with the solution, or the same question may be asked with infinitely many solutions. Okay, so in all the cases we need to solve the questions in the same way. सारे cases के लिए हम questions को इसी तरह से solve करेंगे. Okay, so I think you will understood that, or you will understand all the questions. You will solve all the questions rather. Okay, now here suppose I am just changing a question a little, है ना. For what value of k? We should see one more question. For what value of k? Value of k. It may be values. Values भी हो सकता है, value भी हो सकता है. That God knows. अभी तो हमको पता नहीं है. Is it clear? So for what value of k does the following system will have infinitely many solutions, and the system is given 2k minus 1 into x, 2k minus 1 into x plus 2y is equal to 2k, and 4x plus 2k plus 1 into y, 4x plus 2k plus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 3. This is the system given. Again we will solve with the same method. What will start with the solution? Given that what is given? 2k minus 1 into x plus 2y is equal to 2k, and here 4x plus 2k plus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 3. Is it clear? So here we'll just compare with the system. A1 is equal to 2k minus 1, B1 is equal to 2 and C1 is equal to 2k. Similarly, A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to 2k plus 1 and C2 is equal to 2k plus 3. Okay, now the system will have infinitely many solutions. What is the condition? Yes, the condition will be the system will have infinitely many solutions if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. I hope it is clear to you all. See, till here everyone should understood the solution. यहाँ तक सभी को समझ में आना चाहिए. That's very simple. Now we are just putting the values. What are the values? 2k minus 1. That is A1. 2k minus 1 upon 4. That is A2. 2 upon 2k plus 1 and this is equal to 2k upon 2k plus 3. Okay, it must be satisfied with all. You may take both the values, you may take one. Okay, so here 2k minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 2k plus 1. Okay, we are just cross multiplying that. So it will be 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 is equal to 4 into 2. So it will be a plus b, a minus b, 2k whole square minus 1 square is equal to 8. So 4k square is equal to 8 plus 1, that minus 1. So 4k square, 2k whole square is equal to 9. So 2k is equal to plus minus 3. So k is equal to plus minus 3 by 2. This will be the value for which the system will have infinitely many solutions. That's very simple. बहुत easy question है ये. Is it clear? ये समझ में आया आपको? That's very simple. Please you must note down that. आपको इसको नोट करना चाहिए. Just pause the video and note down that all. Okay. So this is the question. This kind of questions are there. They may be that may be asked. Okay. Now we are just we will take a look of the graphical solution of the system. That's again very easy method. Okay, we'll finish the graphical method in the same lecture, and then after that last lecture we'll be just watching the word problems of the system of linear equation. Okay, now what do you mean by graphical solution? What kind of solution is there? That is graphical solution. That is the simplest. Graphical solution is simplest solution of the system of linear equation. As we have seen, two lines. When we'll draw the lines on the graph. Okay, on drawing the lines, definitely the lines will be intersecting. Means system will have unique solution and will determine the unique solution. Okay, chaliye we should see that particular question based on the same graphical solution पे बेस्ड एक क्वेश्चन हमको देखना चाहिए. ओके, चलिए हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन. दैट्स वेरी सिंपल. सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन. solve the system of linear equation. Solve the system. The system is given, equations are given. Exactly, suppose we are having a simple system of linear equation, that is x minus y is equal to minus 1, equation number 1. Second, 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. These are the equations given. Is there any doubt? I don't think there is any doubt. Are you having? Okay, will start to solve exactly. See, very first we'll write, given that, we'll just write the given equations. X minus y is equal to minus 1, then 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay, now on putting the different values of x in equations. Okay, we are just putting the different values of x and we are determining the values of y in this table. We'll just draw a table in which we'll just write the values. That blue one is the first line, x minus y is equal to minus 1. Okay, and the red one is second line, that is here we are writing value of x, value of y. It is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay, so what we'll have to do is, we'll just do the rough work, that x minus y is equal to minus 1. We are taking the value of x is 0. So 0 minus y is equal to minus 1. Minus cancel down by y is 1. Means on x is equal to 0, y is 1. Okay. Now again we should take one more value. Suppose we are taking x as 1. So 1 minus y is equal to minus 1. So 1 plus 1, that minus y will become and y will take there. So y is equal to 2. So at x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 2. That is the simplest solution we received from that. Okay, we have just kept two values of x and we have determined the value of y. Now in the second equation, again suppose the second equation we are having 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay, so now we are just putting x is equal to 0. So what will get 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 12. 2y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 upon 2. Y is equal to 6. Means for x is equal to 0, y is 6. Okay. Now we are putting one more value of x. That is, suppose we are putting x is equal to, suppose in the same equation we are putting x is equal to 2. Okay, 2. So 3 into 2 plus 2y is equal to 12. 6 plus 2y is equal to 12. 2y is equal to 12 minus 6. 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 by 2. Y is equal to 3. Means for x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Is there any doubt? I don't think you are having any of the doubt. Is it clear? मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको कोई भी डाउट इसमें होना चाहिए. Is it clear? That's very simple. Now we are just taking a look here. How to draw the graphs? अब हम graphs draw करेंगे. Is it clear? We'll draw the graph. How to draw the graph? We'll take a single graph. अब देखिए graph draw करने के लिए we should take some special care. Exactly. Okay. See, whenever you are just drawing the graph, you should draw the number scales, and on the corners of number scales there should be arrow. It is very important. Okay. To make arrow is very important. If suppose you are not making arrow, you will lose the marks. Then after, very first you should write the scale. What is the scale you are using on x-axis and on y-axis? Okay. On x-axis in the sense, on x-axis what distance you are taking. Suppose that is you are taking as 1. You are taking 1 centimeter as 1 unit. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On graph paper, easily you will determine the distances. You need not to determine by scale. There will be, you know very well the distances are given on that. Okay. So that is on x-axis you are writing 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, again you will have to express write for the y-axis. So for y-axis again you are writing 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. That is all in scale. ये complete हो गया. That you will have to write, it is compulsory. Now you should take at least 2 point extra. You know in x 2 is maximum. I have just made till 7. 2 is maximum. I have prepared till 7. At least 2-3 points extra should be there. Now on y 6 is maximum. We are just taking starting from here 1. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, minus 2. At least 2 negative point also should be taken. Okay. Here it should be named as x dash and y dash. It is your complete graph. Is it clear? Now you need to draw the points. Very first, the points of first line, that is 0, minus 1. On x is equal to 0, the y is minus 1. This is the point where it is the first line. Okay. Now at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. At x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. It is the point. Is it clear? Now we are just joining both the points. We have just joined both the points like this. Okay. Now suppose it is here. Okay. Now what is the second point? That is 0, 6. When x is 0, y is equal to 6. This is the point. No, sorry. X is 0 and y is 6. This is the point. Okay. And when x is 2, y is 3. Okay. So it may be the point here. Okay. Exactly, I have just made this a little wrong. That will be going through here like this. Okay. So at 1 it will be on 2 here somehow, and here it is the second line. I draw from this to 2, 3. So here now I am just drawing the second line. It will go like this. Is it clear? Now I should write on the lines which lines these are. Blue one is x minus 1 is equal to minus 1, and that black one is 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Is it clear? The intersection point of both the lines will be the solution of the system. Suppose it is just coming on 2 and 3. So 2, 3 is the solution. In the sense x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 is the answer of your question. The system is having a unique solution. If suppose the lines will be parallel, system will have no solution. Lines will be coinciding, the system will have infinitely many solutions. So please note down this. You must know how to draw the graph. ग्राफ किस तरह से ड्रॉ करना है आपको पता होना चाहिए. Exactly, I have just drawn the graph on the that board. So it is errorful definitely, but you will just draw the graph on the graph paper, so it must be errorless. But what are the special points? You always keep remember that very first is scale. Always write scale, very first thing. Second thing is arrow. You must draw the arrows. Third, x, o, x dash naming. Okay. Fourth, at least 2 point extra on both the side. Okay. So these are the special point what you need to remember always. Okay. I hope that you understood. We have studied elimination method, cross multiplication method, substitution method, graphical method, as well as the kinds of system of linear equation. Okay. So till here please complete. In the next lecture you will be just watching the word problems of linear equation, and these are the very important topic. Okay. Today's topic exactly in board class, suppose you are talking. So in board class it is asked from this lecture or from the last lecture, that is from the word problem. Okay. So have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.